Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Xavier Smith, and today I'm going to talk about how to graph sine and cosine with a vertical shift. So let's go back to our standard form. Y equals A cosine or sine of B times X minus H plus K. That's a lot. Today we are just going to isolate K. So K is just our vertical shift, and it's tacked on the equation right at the end. It just adds 1 to every y value. So what does that mean? Well, it means it shifts our midline. This is where you learn what a midline is. So in our sine x and cosine x, our midline is the x-axis, y equals 0. Because you see all these x-intercepts, they're all coming back to the same line on the major points. So here we have 0, and it's 0, 0. Then we have pi, and it's pi, 0 pi. Then we have 2 pi, and it's 2 pi 0. Whatever. They're all coming back to the x-axis. And here on cosine, we have like pi over 2, and then we have 3 pi over 2. And they're back on the x-axis. So when we say, what if we say k equals 2? Then we have y equals sine x plus 2. And guess what? Every point is just shifted up 2. And then I draw this imaginary dotted line to tell me to go back to this line. So all these ones that are supposed to be x-intercepts, all those points are going to land back on that midline. So make sure they land on that midline. Do not go back to this x-axis. It's not, the x-axis doesn't matter anymore once you're moved up and your midline is somewhere else. So instead of 0, it's at 2, 1, 3, 0, 0, 0, 2, then negative 1, 1, 0, 2. All points are just shifted 2 up, so then this midline is just shifted up to 2. So y equals 0 is now y equals 2. So now what if we said, well, cosine x, let's just say k equals negative 3. So we have y equals cosine x minus 3. What does that do? Well, again, instead of the x-axis being our midline, do not go back to the x-axis. Your midline is now shifted 3 down. All points, all y values of the points are shifted 3 down. That's what a minus 3 at the end will do. It just affects all the y values. So instead of 1, we have negative 2, 0, negative 3, negative 1, negative 4, 0, negative 3, 1, negative 2. Every y value is just subtracted 3 from it and plotted again. So our midline is shifted 3 down. I hope you now know what a midline is. It's the line you come back to. And I hope you know how to graph a vertical shift in sine and cosine graphs. Thank you for watching.